get active. How are you feeling? This is part of my 7 minutes every day for beginners, or for you if you've not exercised for a long time, you want to get yourself gently back in. Maybe you've had surgery or an illness or a medical condition. Come and join. This is part of helping you make a healthy habit with fitness every single day with me. So if you haven't already seen the previous videos that I've done, I'll link to them there. Check them out. Today we're going to do full body. It's only 7 minutes. Neck, shoulders, spine, hips, knees and ankles. Are you ready? Come on, let's do it. You don't need any special equipment, just a sense of humor and a positive vibe. That's all we need. Connect, core muscles, shoulders back and down. Lift your shoulders. Single, single, double. And you can always do everything a little bit slower. I'm here to motivate you to work out with me every single day. Can you do that? Bow together. Hands on your shoulders. And 1. Single, right and left. That's it. Now bring your hands down. Lift the shoulders again. Up and down. Single, single, double. Bow together. Look over your right shoulder. Right, center, left. Just gently with your neck. Just gentle. Hands down. Side bend to the right. Hold. Good. Side bend right, left. One more. Now bring both hands together. Rotation right. Rotation left. That's it. So keep the pelvis still. One more. Hands down. Here we go. Side bend right. 2 more. 1 more. Take your arms in and rotation. Look over the shoulder and look back. That's lovely. 1 more. Now reach across with the right arm and then both arms up in the middle. There you go. Reach over. And we'll do another 4. Reach, lift. That's it. Good. Again. 1 more. Now bring both arms down. Side bends low. Just for 4. Let me move back so you can see my feet. 1 more. Let's go. Now with your hips, rock the hips just from side to side. So we're building on all the mobility exercises that we've done previously. Just putting them together. Circle the hips all the way around. Circle around the other direction. Now side to side. 1, 2. Circle again and around. Let's go the other direction. Circle. Here we go, side to side. Well done. Are you ready to march? Right leg, let's go. 1, 2, 3, knee. And knee, 1. 1, 2, 3, knee. Here we go. 3 and knee. You can have a little bit of a move. You can move forward, move back. 1 more. Now just single knees, so it's step, knee. There you go. How you feeling? Make sure you subscribe, like, and leave a comment below because I want to hear from you all. How are you getting on with all the workouts? Now flex and point, right leg for the ankle, knee lift, change, heel toe, knee lift. Good again, heel to toe, knee lift. 1 more, heel toe, knee lift. Go back with single knees, so 1. Then bring the heels down, just for 4. Single knees, go again, lift. That's it. And then down with the heels. Now you're going to balance on your left leg. Lift the knee up, extend, bring it back and down. Ooh, if you need your chair or the wall, go grab it, but your balance will get better. If you join me every day with these workouts, I promise you'll get fitter, stronger, happier, healthier. 2 more, all of the above. Extend. Last one, lift, extend. March it out. 1, 2, 3, knee. Good, and again for the hips, knee. Keep it going. 1, 2, 3, and knee. Last one. Good, knee. Now take the legs apart. Just a small squat. Sit down, lift up. Sit back. Head up. Let's go for 4. 3. And again, you can definitely do this slower. 1 more. Now up onto your tiptoes. So we go up, down, and squat. Do it again. Lift up, down, squat. Fab. 2 more. Down, squat back. Last one. Down and squat. Shoulders again. Let's run through 4 shoulders. Hands on your shoulders. Single. Hands down. Side bends. Right. Left. 2 more. 1 more. Hands into the front rotation. Over the right. Over the left. 2 to go. 1 more. Now with the hips. Side to side. There's so much you can do just in 7 minutes. And everyone's got 7 minutes. Now tap. Tap and circle. Just again to mobilize the hips. Change sides, go. Tap and circle. And again, tap it across. 1 more. Now heel down. 4, 3, flex and point, heel toe. Now knee lift. Change. Heel toe. Knee lift. Change again, we're nearly there. I can't wait to see how you feel after this one this morning. Knee lift. Now 1, 2, 3, knee. Bit of coordination. Knee. Good. And again. 1, 2, 3, knee. And again, you can do it. 2, 3, and knee. We're nearly there. 1, 2, 3. Now for your calves and your ankles, tap the toes and then rock through the heels. So back and lift. And we'll just mobilize all your key joints and put the exercises that we've done previously in our program. Let me know how you've got on in the comments. 1 more and march. Well done. Deep breath. Breathe it in. Breathe it out. Breathe in. Good. Breathe out. Come back. 1 more. In, 2, 3, 4, and out. Good. And relax. Just bring your arms in. There we go. Another 7 minutes in the bag. Now, if you're starting to feel stronger, you could always go back, choose one of the exercise routines that we've already done that you enjoy, and do them together. So you have 14 minutes of exercise. Maybe try that. Let me know how you get in the comments. Make sure you subscribe, click the bell notification, share this video with as many of your friends as you can on your social media so we can get more people moving this year. Hope you enjoyed it. Mwah, and I'll see you tomorrow.